How can I let my team know when we have a new subscriber? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Then we'll be reformatting the response using the AI wizard by Workload. And finally, we'll be sending the details of that subscriber as a channel message in Slack. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Mailchimp to AI wizard to Slack. And I'm going to click in my trigger box to select my trigger. And the triggering app is going to be in Mailchimp. And the event is going to be a new subscriber. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to Mailchimp. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. I'm going to select my list ID. This is my workload mailing list. And then we'll test our trigger to see if we have any new subscribers. And we found one, Mr. Jerry Richardson. So if I look at the way this is formatted, the details of this subscriber that I want to send as part of my Slack channel message, a lot of them are tucked inside of this array called merge fields. So we want to pull those details out of the merge field so we can then put them into a channel message in Slack. So we're going to click continue here. I'm going to use the AI wizard by Workload. The input data is going to be the merge fields. And I'm going to copy this prompt from the bottom. Turn this array into an object. Then I'm going to click continue and test this action. And we have a success. So the name, phone number, and address of this subscriber was pulled out of the array. So I'll click continue. I'm going to add a step by clicking on the plus sign. And our action is going to be in Slack. And we are going to send a channel message. Make sure I'm connected to Slack. The channel that I'm going to send my message to is my test channel. You would pick the channel that you would want your new subscriber information to be sent to. The message text is going to come both from the original trigger and from our step 2. So from our step 2, we'll pull out the name. So I'll do first name, space, last name, enter, phone number, enter, and then we'll use the address. So we have the street address, enter the city, comma, space, the state, space, and the zip code. Enter. We also have a birthday we can include. Enter. And then from the original trigger, we have the email address. So we'll put that in as well. For the bot name, I'll say new Mailchimp subscriber. I'm not going to add an icon or an emoji this time, and it's not part of a current thread. Although once I establish this thread of new subscribers, I could add that so that all of the subscribers were contained within one thread. Click continue, and we'll test this action. And it looks like we have a success. So we'll click continue here. I can peek over at my test channel in Slack, and I can see that that information was just posted with the name, phone number, address, birthday, and email address. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes. And then I can activate my workflow. And now every time I have a new subscriber in Mailchimp, the AI wizard will properly format that data so it can be sent as a channel message in Slack. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that'll take your new subscriber information from Mailchimp and send it as a channel message in Slack. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel. Or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.